do it yourself. That's right. iFixit is about to start selling the Galaxy Z Fold 5's fix it yourself screen replacement. So Samsung has officially announced that they are going to go ahead and let you be able to pick up through iFixit a fix it yourself kit. Now, keep in mind that these kits are not like cheap, okay? If you go through iFixit, they are around $900 for the Google Pixel Fold, and most likely the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be very close, if not maybe a little bit more expensive. Now, in that, you do get the iFixit tools. You also get, of course, these little, clip things that go to help you peel off the screen correctly. You get the front screen, back screen, all that kind of stuff. You get everything you need in here to pretty much give you a brand new phone. But keep in mind, again, you're doing this all yourself. This is not something that, you're able to... And if you want to go ahead and do parts only, then you just have to pay $900. It's an extra $10 for the iFixit kit and all the other components. But keep in mind, again, you're doing this yourself. So if you break it, it's kind of on you. And it looks like the black is actually out of stock. So only the silver is in stock. There's only one left. So apparently this is something that I guess people are buying. And now they're going to be this process with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 too. So it looks like, and my guess is most probably people who are buying this because maybe they're buying or they get a lot of broken Pixel Folds. They have the chassis that's beautiful. Everything is perfect. Just one little small issue. They know how to replace these things. They know how to fix these things. So they're pretty much just getting the chassis, beautiful chassis, broken inside, ripping out the guts, putting in the new guts here, and then you're going to sell it probably as refurbished for $1,400, $1,500 online. And I'm going to guess that's why these are selling like hotcakes on iFixit.com. And when the Z Fold 5 comes out, it's probably also going to be selling like hotcakes, right? Because, again, in theory, yeah, if you have a broken Z Fold 5, you can easily fix it. Now, I say easily, but it's not easily, in all honesty. As it says right here on the iFixit guide, and yes, they do give you a step-by-step guide on how to fix these products when you buy this product. I mean, you get it beforehand, you can get it for free, but you can also follow it after you buy the product. It takes you 3 to 4 hours to fix the Pixel Fold. Z Fold 5 is pretty similar. It also says difficult. Difficulty rating is difficult. Proceed with caution and patience. And it's 126 steps to fix the Google Pixel Fold's inner display. 126 steps. And the one thing I will say I don't like about this in the end is so they take off all the back of the product, right? As you can see, they're taking off all the back of the product, separate the adhesive, remove the ultra-wide bands. And let me see this, unless I'm incorrect on I might be incorrect on this. Remove the front camera. Okay, so right now we're removing all this stuff inside, right? Everything is removed. Separate the adhesive, remove the base vibrator. Okay. Separate the adhesive. Tilt the phone. Okay, I'm just trying to see if I'm... Heat the bottom edge. Okay, so this is obviously taking off the back display, taking off the front display. And this is supposed to be to replace the inside, right? Adhesive information. Okay, so what I want to see about this is, do they ever show the inside on what to do with the inside? Or is it just supposed to be you just kind of understand based on doing this process what you do on the inside? Tilt the phone. Wait, see, this is where I get confused. Because it says remove the battery. Only the inner the screen assembly remains. You are now left with the inner screen assembly. For transferring the internals to your new part, check your old inner display assembly for any leftover components not present in your new part. So it doesn't show you how to assemble the inner display. It shows you how to remove all the guts of the old display. This is why I hate these type of guides, I'll be honest with you. Because Someone said, good lord, thought Apple was bad with 126 steps. Yeah, this is my problem, because, like, they're not showing you the inside display and how to do everything. I wish it would show you every little step, tool by tool. I mean, they're making sure to tell you, hey, listen, this tool right here, you see this? $5.99. You can buy it at our store. But they're not showing you how to do the inside display. $5.99 at the store. Yeah, no, they're showing you how to remove all the guts. And I'm going to guess what... let me not be stupid here. Probably, what, this is... Cause is this the hinge, too? Yeah, I guess this is the hinge. So it's literally just putting the old guts into the new guts. That's pretty much all it is here. So I guess, technically speaking, the replacement here would be just... You removed all the guts from the old phone. Now, do the whole process again, but backwards. So go from 126 all the way back up to 1. Okay, so that's actually, you know what, I figured out my own problem. I figured out my own issue here. But no, again, like I said, it's not bad. And, you know, hey, listen, if you have a broken phone, it's $1,800 to buy a new one. Well, if, you know, we were a couple months ago. At this point, it's not $1,800. Right now, you can get a Google Pixel Fold. Probably use one for like $1,500, $1,400. And if you want to get one on sale from different websites, you could probably get them cheaper than that. So, is it worth it to fix your own phone here? Spend $1,000 to get it, or let's say Z Fold 5? Probably not, to be honest. If I'm being honest, probably not. I feel like it's probably better to just buy a brand new phone, sell your old phone as broken, or like, again, like I said, right now, you could probably, let's say you have a Google Pixel Fold, right? You could sell it right now. If you're, let's say you're in a display, it wasn't broken, but there's a line down the middle, it's not 100%, it's kind of like fidgety, you know, it's not, it's broken to a point, right? You could probably sell that on eBay, Google Pixel Fold right now, for $600-$700. If it's broken. And you can say broken just for parts. You could sell that for $700, go flip around, go buy a used one for probably $1,300-$1,400, or a new one for even probably kind of around that price tag, right? $1,400. You sold it for $700, broken one. Now you spend $700 to get a one that's working, that might be used or brand new, instead of fixing yourself for $900. I see, the thing is, right, especially now once I got more into phones, what I realized is how much on eBay people will buy broken or non-working phones because they're able to fix them and sell them for a profit. And the market for broken or unused products is immense. I mean, I remember when I had a broken Xbox. It was a broken Xbox One Series S. And I sold on eBay, and I was like, okay, I'm probably going to throw this away, right? Because it's broken. I sold on eBay for $100 because there's someone on eBay who wanted that exact console. And maybe they wanted that exact console because they wanted to flip it, or they wanted to fix it and have it for themselves. You can do that, guys. So, at the end of the day, while I do agree this is a cool concept, I'd probably just rather sell my device and go buy a new one. But again, if you're tech savvy enough to fix phones and that's what you do, this is not a bad thing. And with the Z Fold 5 now joining the stray of this, it's actually really cool. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.